Погнали!
Let me begin. I came knowing that on me that's a sin. I won't ever slack up, don't get out of back up. Try and play the role and you're the whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, come up with your hands up. If you got the feeling, jump up, touch the ceiling. Monsters of one floor, someone's fucking jump. Yeah, I'll bust them in the eye, and then I'll take the punks out. Feeling funky, amps in the trunk, and I got more rhymes in this cops that are junkie. Don't let
Максон, подойди, Максон!
I can't make it down, I can't make it down. So get out your seat and jump around. Jump around.
Окей! Изюминка, спасибо, Света! Максон!
Jump up and get down. I'll serve your ass like you're a Mac and roll. If your girl steps up, I'm smacking the hoe. Word to your moms, I came to drop bombs. I got more rhymes than the bottles got songs. And just like the prodigal son, I've returned. Anyone stepping on me, you'll get burned. Cause I got lyrics, but you ain't got none. If you come to battle with a shotgun. But if you do, you're a fool, cause I do to the death. Trying to step to me, you take your last breath. I got the skill, come get your fill. Cause when I shoot the gift, I shoot the kill. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down.
Окей, спасибо, друзья. Это был второй полуфинал. Кто же пройдет у нас в финальную битву? И это как будто не раз, это как будто 1/10. И это изюминка. Давайте пошумим для Светы. Свет, спасибо огромное.